Bye-bye. Eraser. Hey guys, I just finished filming a makeup video that I will also post in this channel, so look out for that. But for now, I'm going to do an unboxing since a package of mine arrived and it's for my dog. Okay, so here's the package. It's actually quite a lot. I can already hear the bell. It's like I also bought her a toy, so let's unbox this now. Wait, okay. Why is it already outside the okay. Here's the ball. And then, what are these? Wait. Show you guys one by one. Okay, so I bought her diapers. This is actually from Kani. I think that's what the shop is called. It's from Kani. I bought her diapers. Oh, this is her brush. Wait, let me show you guys how it looks. Ooh, this looks cute. But it's a lot pink than what it looks in the picture. It's a lot pink, but I think it's okay. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's very pink. It's not like the type of pink that I like, but it's okay. So it has like this, so you can like get the hair immediately. It's not gonna be hard. And oh, I got her like the bowl. This is the dual bowl, I think. Yes, because I bought a bowl already, but like it's just one. I want it to be two, so like it's easier to put the water, and then on the other side I'm going to put her food, you know, easier. And I can just use the one that I already bought for my other dogs. Here. So cute. Okay, and then I bought her a ball. This is really cute. I say, right? Oh, I hope he's gonna like this. Here. And then I bought her a silicone bath brush. Since she's a Shih Tzu, so like I wanted na every time I take a bath, so I'm guessing you put the soap here and then it just creates like its own bubble, and then you can just brush it. I think that's what I think this is. I'll just figure it out, you guys. But yeah, it's gonna be like you're gonna put your hand over here. Oh, this is hard for me since, or just hold it like that. You can hold it like this and then so this is it. I hope she likes it. Okay, that's all for my unboxing. Bye bye. Hi guys, we are in Ibang Eat the kitchen. Here's our food. We're strolling around, y'all. Hi guys, I'm in the fidget room. I'm going to try on some stuff today. Yay! Let's go, mom. Thank you, mommy.
Like shopping galore.
This is mommy's way of consoling me because I didn't get tickets sa pre-sale at Taylor Swift. Please test. Sabi sa me? Ikaw ba na? 3 pumps of white mocha and sour base. Pero sa grande lang siya nga cup. Diba? We are in Sunnyville. I'm buying this one, y'all. Joke, not me. Mommy's buying this one. She's the one buying. We're in the grocery since we had to buy some stuff. So that's why. And they're playing Taylor Swift. As in the whole time, oh my gosh, the whole time right now, like, sakay kami buy stuff. First, Taylor Swift ang ginapasing. It's cold here, guys. So I'm gonna do a quick haul of everything that we got since I just want to show it to you guys, and I'm also very grateful for this. I'm grateful for my mom. This one, ta-da! I'm really happy with my bag, guys, because it's in the color black. It's very chic, and like it's really perfect for when I go to school. So this, I think it's perfect like to bring. Since I can fit my laptop here, I can fit a lot of things here, and I really don't want to go back to wearing backpacks anymore since I'm kind of out of that stage already. So this is really perfect. Okay, now for the clothes that I bought from H&M. It's in this very big bag. So first is I bought like cream cargo pants, and it has like really cute pockets here, and then pockets here, and then at the back it also has really cute pockets. Black pants is flared and low-waisted. Light wash jeans, and this one, it has a hole here, and then this is like how the end parts are, but it's also very nice. And also this one is high-waisted, just a zipped up jacket, so like for when it rains, and it also comes with a hood on. I broke my shades, so I got to convince my mom to buy me one, so let's unbox it. It looks like this. And then Sunny Studios, and ta-da! I have to take this off, but it looks like this, you guys. I actually showed it earlier when I was trying it on, but I really like it. So that's all for my little haul today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm really happy with these, and I'm very grateful to have my mom buy everything for me. Bye-bye!